Hello friends, welcome my channel Cooking with Nadeem. Once again I'm here with new recipe. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the Russian salad. Actually Russian salad is very traditional salad. Everybody like this, is very famous. So now today I'm gonna show you how to make the Russian salad. So I will show you the ingredients. So come, I will show. So friends, here I got all the ingredients. Here I got the peas and carrot I cut already in the cubes. It's boiled already. And then here I got the boiled potato I cut already in the cubes also. And then here I got pineapple and apple mix. So this one is also we will put inside. And then I got the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, you can use any kind of mayonnaise, but I use the very thick mayonnaise. You can use anyone. And here friends, I got the milk. I will be use the 2 tablespoons of the milk in the salad. So let's start. So now friends, let's start our process. So now this vegetable, carrot and peas need to put in the bowl, and then apple and pineapple, and then I got the boiled potato, and then I have to put the mayonnaise inside. I put the 2 tablespoons, and then milk also. So friends, here I got the sugar powder also. You can use the icing sugar. If you got sugar, you just blend it, and then you can use also just a bit. Only this one is half teaspoon. So just mix it well. So now friends, our Russian salad is ready. Very easy to make at home, very quick. So this one is very easy to make at home, just very quick. Okay. So friends, here our salad is ready. So please, if you want to watch my new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.